All right, folks, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will, and we are going to put on finally what I think hopefully is the screen protector, the best screen protector for the Pixel 3, and they also have this for the Pixel 3 XL. Grab my knife here. Now this is Caseology. Caseology had a sale, and that sale might still be going on, folks. It might still be going on, where they were giving out huge discounts on stuff. And inside of here, we're gonna find the glass and the guide and the full setup. Again, this is Caseology. They didn't send this out to me. I bought it because I was having a lot of trouble finding tempered glass. Oh, you get two. Okay, so sweet, you get 2-pack. I didn't even realize it was a 2-pack. All right, so you get 2 of these. So I'll put one to the side. It's just some instructions that they want you to follow and putting on. But this is a guided one, so this should be okay. It's gonna have a full opening at the top and I'll cut out for the bottom. So I'm gonna take off the Caseology case that I've been rocking with. This is one of the best cases I've owned for the Pixel 3, man. Like for real. That is a really good case. Use it daily. So not having a screen protector on here hasn't been a problem, but I have noticed obviously the micro scratches that appear on your phone when you don't have a tempered glass. So there's tons of them. They probably won't come across on video, but trust me, there is a lot of scratches on this screen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and you get all the little kit and everything right here. It's gonna take one of the alcohol alcohol wipes. I'm gonna thoroughly clean the phone up real quick, and then I'll take the dust removal things and get those on there too. This is, I love this phone, man. This is like the perfect size phone. It is just a great phone, man. Great size. And they give you 2 of these. I don't like using these because they add dust to the screen. These seem to be okay though. They seem to have not added any dust. Let me look at it off. Yeah, there's some dust. But I'm gonna use the dust removals tools here. The high-tech dust removers. Yeah, that's crazy. And you just kind of go along like this and try not to touch anything. There might be a little dust under your screen, man, but don't trip. It's not too bad. Then you put this guide on where it covers up the phone like that. And I'm gonna hit this dust one more time. And then I'm gonna take this off and drop it right in place. Doesn't get any more simple than this, folks. It just can't get any more easier than this. They got it right on, and it just starts to adhere. Screen protectors that don't have the little guides nowadays, I often wonder why. Because the guide is something there to help you put the screen protector on. And that went on, oh man, that went on great, folks. Now obviously this isn't gonna be edge to edge because of the curved screen. But let's get this guide off. Oh, that is flawless, folks. Flawless victory. Finally, a screen protector on my phone. Touch sensitivity, it's looking pretty hot. Yeah, there it is, folks. This is officially the best tempered glass right now for the Pixel 3. And they also have this for the Pixel 3 XL. It's on Caseology, so search for Caseology. Then I can put my case back on. Obviously, it's gonna be case friendly with their case. Yeah, this is where it's at. One and done, folks. It's your man Jay Will. See you in the next one. Take care.